Uh, Thank you so much, Naga sir, at first for giving this opportunity to take this little time from you to just know a little more about you so that I can share it with the youth or the young generation I'm dealing with. So you are an IM alumni, and then you are helping the agriculture. You are helping the people from the rural area. So how did you get this motivation?
So I'm a resident mentor at IIM Bangalore, and I've probably mentored thousands of entrepreneurs there. The last almost 13 years now. So the idea came is when I was in US, we were all raising funds to support entrepreneurs, NGOs in India, and I came back in 2006. So after we sold the company in 2012, I went back to the AIDS days. So the movie Swadesh is made on AIDS. So what in the movie what you see is about the local villagers solving their own problem, making electricity using a stream and putting a small microhydro power. So we funded the project and we designed that sitting in San Diego. So that gave me an idea about how technology can be used in solving problems.
Right,
And that was my focus now is about supporting social entrepreneurs
right,
and who will solve interesting problems using
yeah.
technology. So I'm very happy around 30 plus investments I've done. We have Native Lead Foundation in Tamil Nadu, which also supports a lot of tier 2, tier 3 level entrepreneurs solving local problems.
Right. So, sir, actually, we had a journey from south coming towards north. And as we are moving towards the north, we find that there is not much awareness about agriculture, our culture that is to be retained. Though we say, I belong to Bihar, the culture is said that it is still there, the same. But somehow we are struggling much more than the people in the south. And Shashank Mani sir says it is because north was held for a long period of time to suppress the revolution or whatever kind of activities were happening over there. So, what do you think is the reason? Even after independence of so many years, we have not yet made it.
I think we're filming sitting this in Bihar. I'm always happy to come to Bihar because this place had three dynasties ruling the whole
Right.
country for many years. And we are yesterday with Nalanda, which was
Right.
not the whole world many years
Right,
back.
sir.
So that was the old glory. I think what happened is about that education that was made this region amazing. That was dropped. So the south has progressive relatively because of the education. Because I grew up, in studying, and education was given a first preference.
Right.
I grew up with five sisters. My father was ensured that all my five sisters study. Now there are three PhD in my family. I was first engineer in my town.
Okay.
So he will ensure that every one of us get educated. People used to make fun of it. Why are you sending girls for schools?
Right.
Where you find a group? He never listened. So that was the emphasis given on education. And the second part is about people had a questioning capability.
Right.
There was a movement in South called Dravida movement where there's a person named Periyar. So he questioned a lot of these old stereotypical things, which helped people to liberate, come out of it, and they sought education as a path. That education really helped today
Right.
because they're progressive. To another thing happened in education as well, that even though there are schools across the country, there is early in the 60s, and Tamil Nadu was the first state to introduce midday meal scheme.
Okay.
So that time, that chief minister, still people revere him because he said that a lot of children are going to farm work, other work, field work because of the livelihood.
Right.
But I will offer them food one day, one time a day, and parents send the children, at least one child is having good food.
Okay.
So that was the motivation to send people to the school. There's food. So he utilized food as an opportunity to send people inside the schoolroom.
Okay.
So that is what today is liberating. I think this model is now a Harvard case study
Right.
across the states. Midday meal scheme is happening. So education is the key element. I think we were in Bihar today. A lot of students went and spoke with the villagers, and they analyzed
Right.
the education system.
Right.
They came up with brilliant ideas, like why the school dropouts are happening,
Right.
why children are not motivated. So this is what needs to be fixed. Education is fixed. Ensure that everybody is educated. Where Kerala has almost 100% literacy rate. So if the education is provided to everyone in the north, they will start analyzing things. Right? They will
Right,
start
sir.
questioning things.
Right.
So that ability will come. Education gives the power to question.
Right,
When you question everything, only you can change.
right.
Otherwise, you are always there, not to question.
Right, sir. Sir, very well said that education is important. And we categorize the people of Bihar in two categories, where one category is considered as really well educated in IIT, IIM, and moving out. It's a kind of mini India in brain drain. And the other category is that which is not interested in education, is not much educated. They don't have much employment over there, scope over there. And the most important point that we really need to note, what I have observed is, I also belong to a Brahmin family, and they have a taboo, they have this kind of stereotype that these people can't get into business, these people can't get into any such sort of thing which is not education. So that's the reason they're not doing anything. So what do you want to tell these kind of people who think that they can do?
So I think everybody need an equal opportunity, right? So
Right.
that's the opportunity that we need to provide. And if opportunity is provided, I'm sure everybody would like to get education. The example I gave back then, people were going into day work. Children are going day work for food. So government said that come to school, we'll give you food.
Right.
Then children came for food. They ended up learning few things. They
Right.
started enjoying.
Right.
So when the education started giving opportunity for children, parents saw the value. Today education expense is the highest priority in the south.
Right.
This will change. We need to provide them with opportunity. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights, and I would love to go through the book that I have got just now. I know it will be kind of life changing for many of the people like us. Thank you so much, Naga
So
sir.
all the best. Thank you.